Are you holding crypto on Binance and not earning anything from it? You're missing out on passive income. Today, we're comparing flexible savings versus locked savings, two simple ways to grow your crypto while you sleep. Which one offers better returns? Which one fits your trading style? Let's break it all down so you can start earning smarter, not harder. Binance Savings is part of Binance Earn. It lets you deposit your crypto and receive interest in return. It's like putting your money in a crypto savings account. There are two main types: flexible savings. You can withdraw anytime. Locked savings. Your funds are locked for a fixed term. These are ideal for long-term holders or users who want to make idle assets work for them. Now, let's break each one down. Flexible savings is the most beginner-friendly option. You deposit your crypto and earn daily interest. The best part? You can redeem anytime, no penalties. It's perfect for traders who want access to liquidity at all times. You get flexibility and still earn something while your crypto sits in your wallet. Supported coins include USDT, BNB, BTC, ETH, and more. Daily payout, low risk. Good for short-term holders. Locked savings, on the other hand, gives you higher interest, but comes with a trade-off. Your crypto is locked for a specific time, like 7, 30, 60, or 90 days. During this period, you can't withdraw. But in exchange, you earn a much higher APY, up to 3x what flexible savings offers. Higher returns. Good for long-term holders. Predictable yield. It's like a fixed deposit in traditional banking. Let's look at the pros and cons of flexible savings. Pros: withdraw anytime daily interest payouts. Good for volatile markets. Great for beginners. Cons: lower APY. Subject to demand. Some coins may not be available. Not ideal for long-term passive income. So if you're actively trading or just want low-risk earnings, flexible might be for you. Now, the pros and cons of locked savings. Pros: higher interest rates. Fixed term commitment equals higher yield. Great for long-term investors. Cons: funds are locked, can't access during the term. No interest if you redeem early. Not good for short-term traders or emergencies. Locked. Savings is like planting a seed. Let it grow and you'll harvest more. Let's look at some real numbers on Binance. As of today, flexible savings, USDT, 1.2% APY. Locked savings, 30 days, USDT, 3.5% APY. BNB, flexible, 0.9%. BNB, locked, 90 days, 2.7%. So if you're locking your funds for just 1 month, your yield could triple. But again, flexibility versus returns. It's all about your strategy. Here's how to decide. Active trader, choose flexible. You need liquidity. Long-term HODLer, choose locked. More interest, less worry. Bull market, maybe go flexible so you can exit when prices rise. Bear market, locked might be safer, earn while waiting it out. Or better yet, split your funds. Use both strategies at the same time. Want to squeeze the most out of Binance Savings? Tip 1. Combine with Auto Invest. Earn plus accumulate. Tip 2. Use promotions. Binance often boosts APYs for a limited time. Tip 3. Redeem from flexible when markets spike. Trade, then go back in. Tip 4. Check available quota. Some assets fill up fast. Tip 5. Always read the fine print before locking. Some terms don't allow early exit. A smart strategy compounds over time. So, which should you choose? If you want flexibility and safety, go flexible. If you're focused on higher returns, go locked. Or do both and adapt based on the market. Either way, make your crypto work for you. Drop a comment below. Which savings product do you prefer? Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to the channel for weekly Binance guides and crypto tips. And don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an opportunity to earn. Thanks for watching and keep earning smart.